Is that your dad? Yeah. Can I talk to Dad real quick? Hi, I'm Gary. I have a metal detecting channel on YouTube.
Yeah, we watched so many because they're so interested.
Yeah, it's called Gary's Metal Detecting.
Okay.
And so what I'm doing today is I'm trying to get to a certain amount of what we call super chats. We're really close. And so as soon as I get to that point, I have a brand new metal detector in my backpack right now, and I'm going to give it to some lucky child or family to share.
Okay.
Would you like to be that family today?
What do we have to do?
You just have to exist.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. How long are you going to be here?
Just for a couple of days.
A couple days? Okay. I'm going to be going down to the other side of the pier. Then when I come back by,
Okay.
are you going to be right around here?
Yeah. Yeah.
For maybe an hour?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we're going to come back and we're going to give it to you.
All right. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. My name is Gary.
Ivan.
Ivan?
Yeah. They've been
Okay.
saving up money to buy one.
It's already ready to go. You just got to put it together.
Okay.
It's all charged up. It's waterproof. Don't get the head unit wet.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's waterproof up to here.
Do you need to get like permit?
No.
No.
Nothing.
Okay. Cool.
It's completely legal.
Wow.
All right. Do you mind if I put these guys on the video real quick?
Sure.
Say hi, everybody. Okay. We're going to do it.
Thank you.
You know what? Let's just do it right now. Let's just do it right now. Get it over with. Yeah. You guys want to open that up? It's inside. I gotta keep my bag, but you guys get the toy. And don't let the water get on it now. It's brand new in the box.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And don't forget to subscribe to Gary's Metal Detecting.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Appreciate that.
You're welcome. All right, folks. I hope you have a wonderful vacation.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, we're from Sacramento.
Okay.
Yeah, I was here for a couple of days.
All right. Yeah.
All right. They love
All right.
fishing. They do metal detecting.
Yeah. Perfect. All right. I hope you enjoy it.
Thank you.
We'll see you later. Bye now. Everybody that donated, I want to say thank you very much. You're awesome.